Are you looking to make meal prepping easier while staying healthy? Look no further. Here are some simple and delicious healthy meal prep ideas to help you stay on track with your nutrition goals. First, start by selecting a variety of lean proteins, such as chicken breast, salmon, or tofu. Cook these proteins in bulk on the weekend and portion them out for your meals throughout the week. This will save you time and ensure you have a healthy protein source ready to go. Next, focus on incorporating a mix of colorful vegetables into your meal prep. Roast a batch of sweet potatoes, bell peppers, and broccoli to add to your meals. These vegetables are not only nutritious, but also add flavor and variety to your dishes. Don't forget to include complex carbs like quinoa, brown rice, or whole wheat pasta in your meal prep. These carbs will provide you with sustained energy throughout the day and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Lastly, make sure to portion out your meals into containers for grab-and-go convenience. Having your meals prepped and ready to eat will prevent you from reaching for unhealthy options when you're short on time. With these healthy meal prep ideas, you can stay on track with your nutrition goals and make meal prepping a breeze. Try incorporating these tips into your routine and enjoy the benefits of having delicious and nutritious meals ready to go. Remember, preparation is key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle.